Family, friends, Ira Harris here. How y'all doing today? Well, a little bit of video here for you. My good friend Alan, Victor Papa 2 Echo Alpha Foxtrot was down there in Anguilla. Man, he has some nice QSOs from beautiful Island, his favorite place, Anguilla, the Caribbean, man. Look at that shack. Look at that water. Look at that beach. So anyway, he's back up there now in Little Rock, Arkansas. And I'm telling you, this is how he copied us from up there. Man, great station up there with a Hermes Lite, the Thetis software. You guys like to experiment? Well, he is that type of guy. Check him out there on QRZ.com. Let's see how he receives us from up north there in Little Rock, y'all. Check it out. Check it out.
And that's about it. Your rider was doing great. It's like, let's go, talk to the guy there, that's like, rain here in Houston section of Ira, UFL.
This is with the NR2 filter, no noise reduction, Ira. NR1. NR2.
Okay, alright, I'm going to do it here as well, and we'll wait for you to destroy the we'll share it when we have a better condition. Right now, it's probably QSP, and I think that's there's a getting where or something going. And they said, look out, just knock out the communications. It's pretty noisy right here. Doing that or not. Anyway, thank you again, 73. J88IA, K35Y cleared.
I appreciate it, buddy. God bless you, man. You stay safe as well. This is good.
5-5 on that last go round, Ira.